Hello dear friends! In this video I will make a cake for Canada Day. As always, you will find the list of ingredients in the description below the video. In the mixer bowl, combine soft butter with sugar and beat on high speed for 2 to 3 minutes until light and fluffy. Pour in the vegetable oil in a thin stream. Then add the eggs one at a time, each time thoroughly beating the mixture until a fluffy, smooth and homogeneous emulsion forms. In a separate bowl, mix kefir, vinegar and red gel food coloring. In another bowl, combine sifted flour, baking soda, baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Mix well so that all ingredients are evenly distributed. Add the dry ingredients and the colored kefir alternately to the butter emulsion in 2 to 3 stages. Mix the batter with a mixer on low speed, quickly and only until all ingredients are combined. I lined the baking pan only on the bottom with parchment paper. There is no need to line the sides. Divide the batter into 2 equal parts and bake each layer separately. As always, I will indicate the temperature and baking time below the video. Check doneness with a wooden skewer. It should come out dry. Cool the finished red cake layers completely on a rack, then wrap them in plastic wrap and place them in the refrigerator overnight or for at least 6 to 8 hours to stabilize. In the mixer bowl, beat the egg whites on medium speed until a stable fluffy foam forms. Gradually, in several stages, add powdered sugar together with citric acid. After that, increase the speed to maximum and beat until dense, glossy, and stable stiff peaks form. Add the sifted cornstarch to the meringue and gently fold it into the mixture with a spatula using upward motions. Draw a template on parchment according to the size of the base of the pan. Evenly spread the meringue along the marked outline using a spatula. Dry in the oven at the temperature and time indicated below. The layer should dry completely and easily separate from the paper. Leave it to cool in the turned-off closed oven. Prepare the cream. In a saucepan with a thick bottom, mix the egg yolks, sugar, a pinch of salt, and cornstarch until a homogeneous paste forms. Pour in the milk and maple syrup, place over medium heat and stirring constantly, bring to a boil. After boiling, cook the mixture for 1 minute without stopping stirring. This is necessary so that the starch fully activates and its characteristic floury taste disappears. Then cool to room temperature, covering with plastic wrap in contact. After that, add soft butter at room temperature and beat with a mixer until a smooth and homogeneous cream forms. Assemble the cake. Spread a little cream on the base. Place the red layer, then spread half of the cream. If one of your cake layers breaks, it's okay. Next, place the meringue layer, spread the remaining cream again, and finish assembling with the second red layer, as shown in the video. Pour melted chocolate with cream over the top of the cake and garnish with red edible gold. I added a few drops of red coloring to the white chocolate. This cake does not require long soaking. It is enough to place it in the refrigerator for 2 to 3 hours. After that, I took out the cake, carefully trimmed the edges, and decorated it with flags that are perfect for celebrating Canada Day. I hope this video was useful and interesting for you. See you again, friends.